In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube search history. So what do you need to do? Make sure you are logged into your right account, and once you have done that, click on your profile icon. Then click on Google account, and now you will be redirected to your Google account. The next step is to go to data and privacy. Once you are there, we scroll a little bit down and there you will find history settings. So what we want to do is click on YouTube history. For the next step, we will scroll a little bit down again, and you have basically two options. What you can do is select all these things, and once you're okay with it, now you can see all those settings are selected, and you can turn it off simply by clicking on this button. And as you can see, you can pause it, but you also have another option. You can also auto delete your history. Let's say you would like to select a certain time frame. Then you can select 3, 18 or 36 months. So your YouTube search history will be deleted after 3, 18 or 36 months. Once you have selected that, then you can click on next and it will be starting the auto delete of your activity on YouTube. And that is how you turn off YouTube search history for your YouTube account.